What's going on, traders? Johnny here, and I wanted to give you a quick recap from today's trades this morning. Now, I do know it's a little bit late, but was traveling, had a doctor's appointment out of town, getting back into town, and honestly, I'm glad I waited to do this recap because I have a lot of information that I was able to think about throughout the day and actually get my mindset prepared for this video. So, for all of you tuning in for the first time, what I like to do here is share my successes and my mistakes with our community to be a catalyst in your success as a day trader. Learn from my mistakes, learn from my successes, so you can then become a consistent and more profitable trader over time. Now, guys, that's the best part about joining this community here on the YouTube channel or our free Discord is the transparency that you get with this channel. I show you my wins, I show you my losses, we talk about the recaps every day, my thought process and exactly why I took those trades. And not only that, when you join with our Discord, it's 100% free and it's lifetime access right now. Okay, and it might not be free for long, so definitely join now while it's free. And the good thing about that is I go live with my Learn to Earn team every single morning at Market Open. And you can really get inside my head and watch me take these trades live, ask me questions, and really see why I'm taking these trades to begin with. So if that sounds good to you and you find value in that, all you have to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel, smash that like button first off, right? And then also uh, go ahead and click that first link in the description below. That's going to give you full access to our 100% free Discord. Okay, 100% free, guys, no cap, and you can enjoy all of my past live stream videos to help you learn from, again, my successes and my mistakes. So what we do a good job here is we like to lock in profits anywhere from 1 to 2% a day, which would give us 5 to 10% a week in profits, which would give us 20 to 40% a month, which means that's a lot of profit for you. Within 10 weeks, you could double your account size. So that's why a lot of people are getting drawn into our community. We just gained over 50 subscribers in a single day, actually Discord members in a single day, and over 100 subscribers on the YouTube channel. It's amazing. We're growing very fast because people see value. Now, for all of you who tuned in to our LTE live stream this morning, you will have seen that I did take a trade on this company here. And if you're not sure, it looks a little confusing, and you're not sure what support levels are and resistance levels are, then you can definitely check out our Learn to Earn lesson library, which shows you all of this information, easy to understand and follow. And again, that's 100% free, so check it out. Now, we took this trade. Let's go ahead and showcase the trade to you guys here. And this is what we really do a good job of, right? We do a really good job of showcasing these trades. Now, I bought this breakout here. I seen that it was holding above the resistance level. Now, first off, we're trading LUNR, which is Initiative Machines Inc. This is a company that basically got news that it would be going to Cape Canaveral. Let's see, where is it at? The news here, LUNR. But basically, it's going to be going to Florida, and it's going to have its second flight with Cape Canaveral, Florida, second lunar mission lander. Okay, we saw this news this morning. Now, it did spike up very nicely, and from this $21 level pushed all the way up to $22.93. Now, what we did not do a good job was locking in the initial profits here. Also went a little bit too heavy, and we did explain this in our Discord also, which I want to showcase to you here, right? We are very transparent with our community. And that's what's so great about joining. And again, sorry it is so late. We like to do these recap videos pretty much right after our live streams in the morning. But what we did was, in the trade ideas, I basically put right here that, we're on the road, there's a doctor's appointment, but we had a beautiful setup today, guys. I bought too soon. I didn't take profits on the first signs of a resistance. I went in too heavy, too fast. I held too long. And I even thought, hey, maybe we should take a swing trade on this for the first time, which is weird because I never take swing trades. And as a result, we lost a little bit of money, but we did let the Discord know. Again, wins, losses, it doesn't matter. We like to showcase it to you. So we bought 50 shares at 22.46. Initially pushed up to 22.99. Could have locked in right there about 1 to 2%. I bought as it averaged down. I was a little bit too quick to buy an average down. In a little bit over my head right at the beginning. I was a little biased thinking that it would push up, even though it didn't necessarily have to. I was looking at these indicators here, seeing this overbought level of $25, and I thought, you know what? This would be a great opportunity to buy this. It's above the 200-day moving average. It was above the VWAP and the other exponential moving averages. And I was like, you know what? This could definitely be a great time to buy. And so I did. I bought in. I jumped the gun a little bit. It held this 200-day moving average, went up a second time. I did not lock in profits, and it came back down during a live stream. I wanted to get a nice little retest to see if, hey, maybe this will bounce off of this level right here. It didn't, and it began to sell off. And what happened was I held a little bit too long and sold at a previous support level, which was $20. Now, again, holding here, maybe not going so heavy initially, buying my 50 shares up here, waiting, not being so heavy. I could have maybe bought down in these areas or just held enough to buy or sell out at this area. Also, when it sold off to $20, I could have done a better job of buying at a low with those additional shares and then riding it up. It would have gave my average a little bit less. Now you can check out this entire live stream. You can see me buying it, holding it, talking about my thought process behind the trade and how I thought it was going to be going up. And what did it do? It stayed within our range. It painted a picture of the day, showing that it was actually very bearish on the day. Had a nice little bull trap pop up, came back down, double top, couldn't break out of this double top here and got rejected, crossed over those moving averages. And hey, this is where I messed up. I could have done a better job of managing my risk here, losing $5, $10, $15, maybe 1%. Instead, I held and, I held and held and held, considered maybe making it a swing trade, and got out. I sold around 2015, 93 shares, and then my 1 share to track it at 2012. Now, if it would have held, it would have actually came back up probably close to, instead of being down 9% on the trade, which was 5% on the day, which is my max stop loss anyways. I could have been, maybe down 1%, maybe, or less. So, unfortunately, the trade did not play out, but hey, not discouraged. I didn't let me affect my day. I had a fantastic day out of town. I had a good doctor's appointment, had a great time with the family. We got to go shopping, eat a bunch of different food, and now we're back here doing a live stream or doing this recap for you guys. We have a lot of new members that joined the Discord. We literally went from 220 to over 300 new members within 48 hours. So it is growing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recap. If you guys aren't sure whether to join or not, guys, we get trade ideas here. As soon as tomorrow morning, all you have to do is become a member of the Discord. I showcase my wins, my losses. If we go to profits, we even have other members who are showcasing their wins and losses. We had someone today make 1.3%, which was $131. Very nice. Another member here made $162. He actually made closer to $80. He bought at $79. He sold at $162. So that was a very nice profit there. Some more profits as well. Very nice to see. And then of course I showcased my profits here, over 4% yesterday on Monday, $42. And I showcased that to you. I showcased my wins, even right here. This was a really nice victory here, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. So not every day is a win, but majority of days are. And that's what I love about trading, is we can get in here, and as long as we make 1 or 2% a day, we can definitely guarantee our account will grow over time. So I appreciate your time. I'm sorry the recap video is so late. If you want to be a part of the LTE team and join us while trading live every morning, then definitely subscribe to the channel, smash the notification bell, and go over to the Discord. It's the first link in the description. It's 100% free, and it won't be free for long. So get your lifetime access, your lifetime membership now while you can, before I make it a paid service. All right. I'm not sure if I'm going to, but just in case, might as well join right now for free and lock it in. So appreciate you guys' time. Like always, I hope you enjoyed the recap video. It is late. I'm going to get ready to check some charts for tomorrow morning's trading session, upload this video, and head off to bed for another day of trading. I hope to see you all there bright and early at market open. Don't be late. And remember, let's end the year on a green note. Thanks, guys, and have a great rest of your night.